Yes, but it's beyond what we are seeing here, beyond the pictures, beyond the videos, beyond the speech of my no. Let us also think outside the box and say, Argentina and Echina, and presidential primaries. Nanra, and mobilizing the people, volunteer people. The volunteers or company, the amano.
Maybe coincidence.
Kofi can never be coincidence. It can never be. Kofi politics in the air will club had the way I name is here. And they said, I say at the time of Mokasi for Moya campaign. Na alachebate ekuta microphone okasa ba obi abetwa mu ani ho no more distracting no and so a coincidence and so a coincidence but it is not ever a coincidence. It is a deliberate attempt to test the waters, to see how people will respond to this whole thing. And of course indeed ocean the number now any videos if you hold mobile Kofi, this video can omun doctor here the akase bia ye the bibia hyehyem the photoshop near there that say for no. This is the reality. I had to say something like this. The crowd no more honorable. And it is a justification. Say yes, Alan could do it, but still now that's who base or that's who relevant. NPP move. It's also Asante region. It is when we Kumasi. Now within Ashanti region, we talk about 3 different places. No, we Kumasi now so we na so be call Boase there. Then Kofi NPP should watch out. They should as fast as possible think outside the box. Now I'm gonna pass the papa be a catch Alan Kojo Chirabate.
Oh, come on.
Yes, Kofi.
Is there no more we need
to no more trouble. Kofi,
people will never take Alan quite serious.
Owo pe and then that's winning. But Kofi catch. I can catch.
Omo reconciliation e deeper NPP. Time Alan Kojo Chirabate ka say wa result Satan mu na nkomoko obetimi aye ni somoye. Eno mo anye. And I'm a bedroom adri. It's like 2 days before the presidential elections. Nobody will pay attention to Alan Kojo Chirabate. So relevant. And nobody. Kofi, did you ever hear any announcement or so ever? Any of the media houses say Alan Kojo Chirabate will be in town yesterday?
Debbie.
Yes.
And another thing.
That makes it more dangerous.
Wouldn't say Evans, why media engagement?
Nothing. There was nothing.
None of them even called any of us.
Exactly.
When your announcement say, yeah, movement, yeah, they so
we should send a strong signal.
The armament so may say no pay ne say or unya artificial crowder and obey media announcement.
Yes.
And on Quebec we nipa no alcohol. And when they are radio ninti and will quite but we
purely organic.
Organic, no media announcement. And I think it's a plus for organizers, no.
And Kofi
say organic, support.
The real people. And Kofi, this is not just say you kwakoji t-shirt a show. Kofi a t-shirt that can be a show so be free magazine. And tech so kwakoji t-shirt a show no we was the and Raman meets him okay. Me person me body G. He's another listener of a program. Me one man was sending. In fact, I know they can send him his pictures with first.
Wow.
And was say, you were hard more.
Hey.
And no try selfie. And what the mention me. I was like, when your shop were doom, or shop were doom. When your shop were doom, our program as more yen were not so more yen were take. It's your no crowd and man. And maybe who say. I like to
but me until you say
exactly
before God and man. I was not aware.
It's later in the afternoon who say Alan Kojo Chirabate official Facebook page. I am live on Facebook. Me share that number 1.7K. I say esi we here ansana ye nya say me confirm say e wa Ashanti region mo ye no Kumasi. So Kofi, the reality is that if within a space of 2 days, tactically, Alan Kojo Chirabate aba be mobilizing the people for volunteer. Ochina beyond the mobilization, what is next?
2nd December, baba be work. National work.
Yami adum ochina moto presidential elections. Enra no baba the mobilization. Beyond the mobilization,
Akoma FM 87.9.
Yeah.
Makacho say bibia no akachi medical man historical precedents. Say EBSC UGCC mo pen. All right. A year we say. But by 1957, almost a kambu ebe UP.
Yeah.
Sorry, I say. Almost a muntam satite. Sorry, I say. By 1970s, ni mo hono 4 or 5 thereabout. No, almost a kambu ebe PFP. 1979, muntam sati.
You know, over Facebook page, you can see the jubilation,
but almost
the excitement.
Almost become Bombay All People's Party. Almost sati. Almost Bombay New Patriotic Party in 1992. And Omuntamun TBU. So they say, in fact, Opeka se be a 2000 no UGM you buy a your friends away. Can I say that was I think 96 or so. Rekubro bemu so tete omo ho ne ma 96 or 2000 mu bako. Omo tete omo ho ne ma but omo sa kan bo mu. Eti Kofi enkechi enye die NCMP mu da no bi ni. Ene omo tradition no. Me maka ofia ha say omo ankasa the pride beto nchen. No matena se. No man negotiate. Kofi di edu na kan edu negotiation.
Samu.
Hwe. Enti wuti Alan ade Alan na ye no. Enye Alan ankasa Alan no person yes ade no. But omumanfo accusing it several times say and severally say ni nkrofo ya omdi na chi no or disappoint omo. And this time around no or ye na adwen say there be he will go with his people. Enti omokoto eye October 26th special delegate we say no. After August after eyina say nipa baako obidi ade ball we say one of such so take that decision no. Say I want to go.
No, but all political pundits actually said this decision so was a wrong decision for him.
Yes,
he should have stayed. He should have stayed.
Of course. So they say, and when I didn't so bad, he will go with his people. It is our pressure no, and I money take that particular decision. Ninkro for no, Oma complaining severally say, sometimes you okra no ani tata womo. So they say, inti MPP and penny for beating me on Martina say, okay. And yet, you been see the ye. Yawaha, you krum ha. Even against opposition parties. You need some young from say Oman contest.
Yeah,
some time ago. The baby are you on Oman MPP fan contest because of say Oba Parliament and also be aligned with the MPP. The contest. So that's it. Zeneto deliberately. You file a weaker candidate against the NATO. Send a be over the not to be winning. It is animal with money and yes, one of the things that strategies are also. It is ultimately a way say cry against the opponent. How much more one kasa party member? So it may I think say
okay
they can sit down. Known so there are certain known elements be a driver Alan at the end. Muno Montanasi, mun negotiate. Constituencies be obia, whatever constituencies be or cry no okay. Would the informal Alan Crawford no yede omonko. Yes, omonko. Be a 4 or 5 constituencies be informal omonko. Okay. So they say me did this omutimi yes ade.
Okay.
Interestingly,
yeah.
O share Atuma wa beja sa. Atuma wa beja no from the Benito one.
Yeah.
In 2020 elections, say Imane contested.
Yeah, Imane contested.
Imane over 11,000 votes.
No. He had 21,000 and Benito 23. Yes,
very
a difference
close.
of less than 3,000
yes.
votes.
Wow. He must also call independent.
Yeah. Hima was in the
and Debbie Untiana is also say 2020 no.
Yes.
Ose chairman sabusu. Eka say independent candidate so ebe hard crowd obeyi and this
no crowd na nya Hima kwa call independent. There were about 2 one other independent I can't and okwa na ma man of vote
into go
akobetu no
building that point it shows clearly say a certain Yima so your wife from to ewo base
base
hold on penasem
yes
no area how your boys no penasem
it should you win at least 30% of the followers the kwafa
oh Ima boy na the penasem Ima guy na there
imagine the amount of influence e bet me
Kofi so the JBA or the
man we Kofi dia boy omo penasem
yes atwuma wa be eja ho no menim say hoye no for so south no for hoy was he obi antena nkyɛn
mama yi manko yima free Alan ho
you saw that say no so that say mama yi manko on the ticket of the MPP so that say nobody is contesting him woman nko anya sa so a okay ye negotiate se party ni win a ebi ye you say but I think say pray there because oyima no onu ni say the last na was in command DC o man fa
na o ye bibia wie o man fa
absolutely eti mama nko on the ticket of the MPP as the PC for that particular constituency. We winning. I mean, any negotiation ni bi no.
Now, yeah, mra the MPP nyame aduma wachina. We'll have one of the busiest day from tomorrow. But MPP for akwasan MOU. Now, what are the details? Yam projected MOU. But already already kind asan bi dada.
There's a first. But how much you can sign before August ahead of the
exactly.
August? Special way. Now go be every way na here.
Just a formality.
No here.
Okay.
Now me don't be Samia.
Yeah.
I will tell you say it's just a mere formality, but it will not hold any substance.
It will.
Kofi how?
No, depending on your message for conducting.
Alan Kojo Chirema, Tomako was saying MOU before 26 August. And did see o free party no mra bia chechire no mra bia chechire no e woni mra bia chechire no di MOU the same MOU ya no absolutely
but I think say time of free mo no bia nka mra betimi a chechire or withdraw from the race no.
Number 2 former MP no I am member of parliament we actually one independent the same MOU na am binding no and I said the same like constitution am binding no we here he is a second deputy speaker of parliament that is your more partner says you come back to the NPP the same as Joe Wise the same as any other independent candidates be as see and all relevant to NPP so Kofi is just a mere formality but the restrictive and then say okay and the pay CMB which or without a CMA MPP can move on here so bit to movie on which or without a CMA independent candidate which or without him because of this only party no and if the party or if all us and okasa okọ content kro ampa pani ampa omo no mu di na ti na mo kọ content kro na ba ko na ye constituency chairman sisi a but the same rana that's who yes you know that leading the campaign but me no kasa on the constituency chairman sisi a
oh sir
yes but me no kasa party rana that's who that is it
he negotiated for the people
that is it it's embrano that's who but embrano edu tembia
you relaxing kakra
of course you piato e to che
ma Kofi ye mra nipa ya nye nipa mamra
enti omo MOU ni say oye den a
Kofi MOU no
dem be say
Kofi nie was say acceptance of primary election results na say baby e be ku bia no
obaji ato
what be that
na anyi ntum na anyi ntum
what be that
Kofi say MOU no ni nyina ka ade ba ko pe o de promotion of peace and cohesion asumdue ene nkabom enye nkabom ya
wa obefre obi so abema ni showdown ye be UF
enye asumdue ho asem ne enye nkabom ya no mo ka
they should dare
Kofi say
ya bremo ne de ya bremo ne de Ken Pawon de ya bremo ne de
someone said yes. No resignation from the party enye nkabom ya
no wa be resign ye no would
support for the winner enye nkabom ya
no
enforcement mechanism or say how any dispute or violation of this MOU will be subjected to resolution within MPP's established internal dispute resolution mechanism in accordance with the party's constitution and bylaws. There's a way in this you don't have a process. You say udi and kabum ne so. Enye kabum ya. Timeline and duration. The MOU shall be in effect from the date of sign. Let's say Enra second we say. And we adding.
Answer say. Nti Kennedy ntimi ma me show down sembia ukuri.
There's no way.
Oso afia kuto assign. And France adeni mo assign. And mo mu di adanse. Professor Aaron Michael Kuyi ono ye chairman of the presidential election committee. And akwabena bankwa ye bo ono so ye vice chairman na wa ankasa wadan for William Yamwa no so ye member
there is no way ebetumi akokoba say vice president aside na Kennedy say me sign I mean it's just a mere formality because
anti o person just say ye dey amemfe na ma sign ya na
yes just a mere every leadership they don't have the balls
but Enra na me share sa
it's a very
na
important
share
exercise.
video we Enra na manfo nam say Kennedy vice president hu no wanchia no
No, but there are two things. You see, there are two things. It is not likely. And you make us say possible because let me do hobby. But don't you critically?
Wachiano ne dim komo. Je binya like class sem ne toda. E toda mu ha mo ni.
Munya butre.
Wachiano one ne siri.
E no movie. Munya butre na muntie me.
E di asem.
Sem beto wo ha. Me beto wase ho. Na mi chiawa. Na beto wo ha no musi. Ase ho ye informal settings o. Informal settings na mi chiawa. Number 2 ha na say ye formal settings a. Kofi meto wa mtimi chia.
E dey formal ni. E dan ba ko pe ni. E dan ba ko pe video ni na wo shey. Video ni ni
propaganda expense.
JB
Kofi me interview for my
video ni I tell for bra Facebook page.
Me interview video
one after the other. Me ba cho I tell for momra Facebook page. Ma me first one na we share no Ennin and wachia no ordinary sakura to nsechi be men na want to say tedi o ka che no was want to say no so no was wona aso mam show down no so we dey assessa me dey sa na yesesre eni wo wi an obe share nanim ho won sanchi ade nya den
say yenya a full appreciation of the video now you probably understand then anka yebetimi aka say omo a odi kan chi a omo ha no musu Okoto mu the same table no wasa chi omo bi. No. Wasa chi omo bi.
Wait.
No, let's give a better analysis of this video.
I have had the opportunity to watch the video.
The full video.
And then
is it a full video?
Listen,
yes. So let us not conclude because Kofi, there are two issues. We share no ha no say we chia no. Fine, that is well understood. But it is not also likely say omo okosa koto omo table no hu ina no. When they can show me that.
No, listen.
When they can probably when they can show me that.
Oh, was it probably?
Yes.
Yeah, we also don't have the video. You see, Kofi, in the world of politics, propaganda, no. The whole year there, when Kofi me interview.
What would have happened? So Chiana Academy.
Me interview for my president.
First one.
Wachiana onunche baby. Why can I yes.
Me interview for my president John Dramani. And I'm going to say papa. Niema ekwa only the Messiah nana. And no say there be ono there or as Christian as he is no on fan ho to Yesu ho. So they say me explain me paraphrase you. E hwa na manfo twa video no. Dia akato aso a o cheche mu aka se nanso yamfa nka ho. So they say 80 and people share the video for their own parochial interest because of political interest. So they say but anyesa na video no so tie. It is a ye twa video so e dia kan sem satisfy a certain interest in there. In this world of politics, possible. But the fundamental truth is that it is never true. So she about me, or she can uchem, and yet true, and you're not correct. He was the first person up the video, no. And I feel much now say, I'm just tempted to believe, say, the other candidates, as at that time, I know. Canada or Japan, interaction. Not other candidates.
We are all making a possible.
So let us not conclude. Say he did.
Nobody is concluding.
He never met him. He met him.
Okay, roll me the full video. Just get a full video.
Fantastic. If you have the full video, we will have a better appreciation.
Only the fetch ba full video ni monto boss. Watch no I tell you Facebook page. You can tell us there also if you do any.
Me the question the simple question is. Kofi uchi nipa uchi enemy na na yede.
Na na SM chairman.
Obeto your hote ho first one obeto ogina ho.
I don't know some champion.
Kofi Shabuche. Obeto the first one ogina ho.
David Krobe champion.
Champion.
You see, this is politics we are doing. And politics it takes a different dimension because unim Oshia na wenja no who say no mom na take center stage. Oshia all the other aspirants no or more na moti table no hu ida no. Oshia na no there. But when share the whole say into a champion na nka ye dey.
Bajo
try we tell show that.
We dia aba atifo we ana mo ani ko Sometimes JB line of argument is overboard, and how can you induce Kennedy? JB, we say Kofi. You are now Kofi now a Baumia PR member. Nana Jiribuati Romeo. And I have him. But at the Moshe Facebook page, let's put politics aside and let's face the reality. I think that against all politics, Ochiano and Wachiana nye debiana nchancha bebre nchancha ne ntafre kwa na ama yensemu mfui no person nsemu
onim ajampremo
one of the oldest and oldest is it a can marriage
no or a teacher ni but also as a radio communicator I am told to say we're free
or a Presbyterian.
Yes, I am told to say we're free. I check a crack.
Free match.
Yes, but I think maybe year or two.
Oh, okay.
Me buy hanu musi na nchebia na mitis.
Oh, not me won't so na not aba me hopa.
Kofi, that papa uchi 1,000 times, uchi 1,000 times. Okay,
I'm premo.
Eja premo. Yes. Okay, the late Professor Mills. Me chawa.
Say, no person.
So Kofi, what will be out the free bano? On the no person. Kofi, what will where this video and where it is dragging the whole discussion to? Sir, yes, sir. Can never to vice president to hold him the Wenchiana. And I say you quote Chiana first one, the second one Wenchiana. The camera has captured two different scenes. Two different scenes and a camera na capture. The first one there was a greeting. At what point Enuchiano? A hefa no Mushiaro Muchiano. At a second point, a hefa no beto na Ohuna Wenchiano. And then they see here. So well, Tremu Hono Mokrana. And like a different ball game or different discussion altogether. But what's here? If you want to do and or do one was signed and one could change Buffalo. What is wrong with you, Sobechiano? That is the basis of the discussion. Say, idea Nankabia, Freddie say, the last person crowd and Nankabia do one Chana, Nakade, it is laudable. But before Kennedy Japan, there was another member. That is a kuta free. Esa Kennedy Japan kukuchia kuta free. Knowing very well, so when the catch now, that is a fact. That is true.
What the catch kuta free dada.
No the catch per the camera we saw. When the catch the different place. At what point where? Second, the second one we are seeing is and also so if I know who no. That is the basis of the discussion.
The basis of the discussion is flawed.
Well, that is your decision.
Because Wachiano.
Oh,
Wachiano.
Yes, you. And yes, no, do I say my wave? No,
we've been on it. Obi, I say, or reply my wife. Now, what are you going to make your day?
It's a bien. So it is the basis of this whole conversation. Okay, Kofi admitted. Let's admit without a you. Second, the Japan kwano chiano. First one na. Ni nipa not in China so swear.
Na so chana.
Kofi that's what chia omo tete mu no hu nyina. It's the Kennedy now share the first one and no chiano. O chiano kwano because per the video we have seen Kennedy kwano chiano. Meboa. Na ni nipa not in China so swear. Ni nipa not in China so Kofi no swear.
So no so you hu ne chia no. Ye chia
kan. The video we are seeing
no bodyguard. Na bodyguard gina nchen. Bodyguard ye chia bodyguard.
Tobo hwe ochia mo ti first table no hu ina no chi obi a na see. Oduru Kennedy one oba pass here.
O start chia free ha ko.
Exactly ochia obi a. Nti ekoba ne sei.
Be me ne mi akwa.
Na wadi kan chia Kennedy.
Mi akwa me pen chia bebre.
That is it. Hwe. I mean it is so bad.
Ochia bebre na ho eme.
And then and no one but go free within they don't mean chia for nipa ba ko 5 times. Won't mean chia. That small formal settings no. And no chia na nka ye dey.
Na ye hwe.
And they say it's ready to. And they say it's ready to. Here they can say you.
Ochira the showdown is coming.
Kofi showdown in Baso.
And So with this MOU, ebesi Sammy B.
Kofi ejina on se maka se MPP. Abana omokoto no efri nne ekosi nyame adoma nya echina se omesha abana se no so se no wotwe per yisi arrangement omne omaye no. Enkashi after declaration of results no ehona na asem ne wo.
So yan hear him say by latest by 60 there.
And also cry by 4 no so maybe.
Kofi on paper dey dey na yin kokwasa na do so kro.
Na make you.
On paper dey almost by 4 no more. But yin kokwasa na do so Kofi eni na NDC for mo kro mo kokoshia wo ba. Amo pa na ju 2.
Nya na ju 2.
Na no na bia anu kwari na homachi 2 Erefi 7 anopa 7
ano kwepa na mo koya acclamation me so mo kwa na mo kwa koya acclamation
na je bia aka no kokwasa
de doso
senka enya kokwasa
mempremanto watu de akere
Once you call a super delegate, no, I'm a cra special delegate, super delegate congress. So, Obi Crab about 2 abano crab.
Yeah, no panabedu any at Wabaya or so. MP for Achumanga de Jar South. No, Quabedu any at Wabaya. I okay. I want to so about ye for a bansana or about why late. I have when you be crowned to Yami Adma. I offend is a quantity. I rather no more in a free about me campaign team.
I also
we were not easy. Asante MPC that maybe Bamiaba Coachia our stadium. Hey, I should almost in a film. Coco to 1 to my any Sanka, when me in your bed 99%. 80 Negates a way to grow in the put us. I say your mind every media, there's a person for a blue. A slim also for Babono, a Buaka house for Babono. Any answering patches and I died on Pupa. Because conference in development in terms of roads anymore. Road of the contract anyway back. Coco Baba, me and Yamaya, Quanso by any house. Was what yes, late. Any and there. Sabi o mesi aburo
ko wake keeping na
ai you query oh Friday dey I go wake keeping
Akoma FM
no Friday channel
ai so
it's your
go wake keeping na
obe phrases here
ai obe
phrases here
ai nanu ya gata mutie ya wa ya buakwa ECG anhwere koto aba bi ntem anka ba omi abaye ai race course ma bridge buye nya ba we na dibirika ediska koma race course for ma nam koye na wo kokoto aba ma ye bridge wakwa yi ase akocheche yi ase akoye so ekakora na ese akoboy wa ma meto ntem ezi a ene ni atwomafo se yeti kroma yehu bibia so so mon kan che janhwere nyame ya adoma ye ma no warning ebo by 10 no ofifie di soroku ye di soroku be kwakofa nhwere afifie no akwakoto aba obi nka kira nhwere mame say by 10 wo kina na onye nu ayi babia voting center ho ye di soroku ten anhwere wo ye da ni atam ni edinesi akonkon kokoto me nyina yehu so ato unkwa audience so to am yehu so to ma ba obia
we cry there interestingly omo to various constituencies
we am found
oni any excuse be
excuse okọ we keep obedai na make say anhwere be ko we keep na oba beda odai no ahia na be fa no ye me na tiram se ye di soroku ko gina ne preacher tam no e de na akoto aba pampe ye body say wi toa na ompe ojo akoto ma ba omia
na obotu no constituencies
ene ye word na
ebi kro beto ebi na the police station ne kra na woni da yachi ye man da be
yes anhwere on tinkare anhwere on tinkare
but ochina wo Kofi
yeah
time ye dia ma ye ho na be ye extended no na ye ma ye ho up to enwumre be ye bia that is if we want to follow the elections entirely
yeah
yema ye up to be 9 o'clock or 10 thereabouts. We go confuse MPP for so pay suma de ye. In fact, MPP for political parties won't pay suma de ye.
Yeah, na minim de omo pese omo ye.
Sir, adesa na omo kan omo humba.
Acclamation crack kakra lead ye the following morning. Now we am kwakoto aba about to mu be very pressure bebam. Now we aba say we ye the league. Go for them say afina Abono, go for Saka, Abono. They are yet to identify the ghost names.
Okay.
It's the way men trouble way on the way or hand and fire. So those
proxy
home. And no back of fancy baby about. And strategically go for position of you. This time around, I must say among Penem will be a round. It's here. One day from all these factors will come to play. And of course, and also so make me delay the elections in the kakra. Omu wia ansa na ye kwakoye sort kra kan wie kra no kra another issue. No mu yamu the about regional coalition center.
Okay, your friend say ascend off.
Okay. So Debbie ye mpeska kakra. Ye manfo a wo mo nano pay winya MVT star 439# select option 6. We are Evans men quickly about be of any saying yeah what how do you call it JB yeah babe yeah projections no
yes yes and of course Kofi be there I still say you be do honomo and I'll give you the reason when it's about on the record runoff.
Okay,
yes, I'll give you a reason when it's about on the
I see
and
so
two candidates will decide.
Okay, yes. Mate. So, Abuzanvo, obetimi star 439#, star 439#. No, select your option 6. And JB, and one more. This is here. You draw this is here. Star 439#. Oh, and there to now be. And there to now be.
Now she damn now so ya.
Oh, that be and yani sir. Star 439# at you for option 6.
Me metro cram
yes. Oh,
may rejected ballot. But they met when they say,
yeah,
who said no to 20 Ghana? Metro 10 Ghana.
And there be an 250.
What's it?
At 250
to 25 Ghana.
To see star 439# at you for option 6 is what you win right now. Mamen check it. Okay, wow, to Siciano. See, Debbie owns a the more you stand a chance of winning more. And Odalia and run out so to you do baby, not just all co approvers. No, I approve. See, be our bonner pop up in a man time. I just go approve and just vote, and that's what you need to do. Okay. So star 439#.
Yes.
No, select option 6. Then you are good to go. JB, my AJ
Kofi Enre
group of
Kobe from one of our listeners. Okay. Wako AJ honomo. Na adansi nti. Me person na kamedi ni dimbe tudwa.
Okay.
O ma me permission there. But nyame na dom. Wenya Canada visa.
Yeah, nyame
si. Me fa chiro eno nie.
Oh, wonderful. This is Canada visa.
Yes, but permission.
Yes. Oh, multiple. Oh, wonderful. Student visa.
Yes, student visa.
That's great.
And I was saying working permit to account.
Wonderful.
And
one.
Are you ready?
And one.
Until we are
it's as a panier.
Aye.
AJ.
Aye, Biama will be managing the visa. Minya the permission come the Tuja will be a who.
And also
there. Canada, when US is available, UK available, China and Apostle.
Right now,
Korea, you man, baby, I could be a new man. Yes, Mr. Bobodia. Agent number 0544 62 8957 0544 62 8957 and at 0555 63 04 39 0555 63 04 39. We have been able to say because go apaso. Eti ewa meko akoye na meko kere.
Call
document bia e bia na oni passport o me bia
ya be kama
oni birth certificate kra de be passport o me bia ba oni de here ne so be frɛ na wo pepa ne so person okɔ bruchiri
that is all
student visa na pa be nya bi te say na me nua ye nya ne die working visa be nya bi o pe visiting visa be nya bi visa type bi a pe bia be nya bi
you got to go man
here ne so be frɛ eji o frɛ na eno ano no o ha so ina atwa
yeah we are MP apum day without young providence
Kofi providence health wo ho eya na sabi producer here say unya dru omo asoye ho no pa na hu machine sisi ho no mo de ye nipadua ne ho adwuma na ka se Ghana fo ina be ya so na komoti na komo ntwe se yare bebo omo a na ka ombenya hotoso pa because provident healthcare e wo machines ahodo ni na bi wo ho no mo na machines esa so ye wanwaso adwuma ye pa ne se ehwe oni padua no hu ba bia yare wo na tumi atso se yare wo aduro we de betimi de aka no ye de se aduro ni de ama wo ya so na utie sa hwehwe no kwa de anu no ho ato it provident healthcare mo asem ne tietie mo se mo de machines mo wo machines ne hwe ni padua nim ehwe ni padua nim esa so hwe hu ne mani yare na sefo nyina na mo de aduro de ama wo aduro no kwa so mo ni bi o meka cho se ko pharmacy shop we ana ko hospital we ko ha no mo se na kokko gi aduro na faye labs of one also authentic.
Okay.
Scan omo ye need so accurate results. Kofi tie Asante. Omo number no 0248 422 864 0248 422 864 and 0506 830210 0506 830210. Obo wase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church ho no mo anomo na okọ konongo so obo agogo agogo station no mo ebe Ghana Commercial Bank opposite Ghana Commercial Bank bogoso omo wo Krobo Fitting Shop ho no mo na omo wo ndrumebre ho no mo na ebetumi asa hunama ne yare 3D yare prostate cancer ne sexual infections ne sexual infertility ne asthma ne obi a ne koye ne ya ne sisi ne ya ne dompe mu hihye no ne asedi na no provident healthcare e won dro ni na bi e won asoye enti e no
jebi unipa Eric Owusu
ne birthday bi no
ne message odi aba we say Kofi Asante is campaigning for Bawumia. You will get a big showdown surprise tomorrow. Thanks regard Eric Kojo Owusu Columbus. Why? Kojo, I am not.
Only even say the anxious and uncomfortable.
Oh, Debbie.
Because the more the cash should see by empire bada.
We are only stating the obvious, not necessarily, but facts are facts.
Oh, cried all the end the yakakra. No pana de jayo. We were jiki.
Ken also provided light for race course market. Oh, okay, yes, upon. Thank you very much. Ken so the light echo.
But when you say never do Dr. Bobby no Ashanti region, Ken is the same thing. Ken is actually no. So said Dr. Bobby could provide this on behalf of the party. Ken is the Sikakoye. I like Sebastian the Sikakoye. Sometimes they were all hungry for power. They were all hungry for recognition.
Because they were taxi drivers, so Kofi na one chairman. Because they were good morning. But also what? That's oh my God. Anyway, so okay. Hey, now tilapia, and then the other avenue. Yeah, but with him, Dr. Bomia Yadibi.
Yeah.
Therefore, just 1 minute. Okay, my the call center, but we are open call center. Here, the team they are very, very crafty and very smart because imagine you are there, we are delegates.
Yeah.
Now, Vice President Afro on the phone. So, who's the night time? Yes, I am.
Yes, sure.
Who fear no about? I mean, your time. We are. Hey, to about my mind.
I was in person.
See that? Depending to the culture, man.
Yeah.
Some saying you feel like it's a privilege.
Oh yeah.
To have that person on phone, talking to you. And another politician, yeah, no more young, yeah, or major power, and we are on Twasso.
I go feel no say no so Kennedy Sokasai. On one fee, he spoke.
Saying
yes, or say yeah, well, we have less than 48 hours. Or encourage Obia so Bia Kukudro. Na offer Akoma Park to no need that kind of way.
Say no, the camera is no work.
Yes, and
American said this is a call center. We're setting up a call center. But we are team as at a call center. Na tie.
Yes, I'm just surprising you with the call this afternoon. This is Dr. Bawumia. Yes, Bismarck, it's me. yes, you know, just to tell you that I appreciate your support, and I hope on Saturday you'll go and get it done for us. Absolutely. You're most welcome. Fantastic. Amen. Amen. I believe so too. Thank you very much, Bismarck. Keep up the fire, Benny, okay? And let's get it done on Saturday. Get there early and vote. Okay. All right. Amen. Thank you so much. Okay. You're most welcome. Take care. All right. Okay. Bye-bye.
My friend, my worry is that Mutiminya politician Timinya Daji or Betua Badia with Yadaji course. Yabi or we no.
We say
na family bisa say what to say wo bebe trouble ma dia utiminya time ko trapu ayi phone boot we phone boot o tete no phone boot anu afa no hello say tua na fra no anamboa tie
Hello. Good afternoon. Yes, Bismarck. How are you? I decided to surprise you with a call today. This is Dr. Bawumia calling. So I want to ask you to support me on Saturday. Yeah. Yes. So I hope I can count on your support. Thank you. You know, so I really appreciate it. God bless you. So make sure you get there early and let us make. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. All right. It's good. Very good.
It is possible.
No doubt. No doubt.
Inshallah.
Yes.
It is happening.
Yes.
Inshallah. It's not just possible, it is happening. Taste me. Oh my God.
Hello. Francis, how are you? This is Dr. Bawumia calling. Yes, it's me. I wanted to surprise you today. Yes. You know, so yeah, that's right. It's me. So basically, we are heading to the vote on Saturday, and I just wanted to call and encourage you that we should get there and get it done. I want to count on your support on Saturday. Okay? I'm not taking it for granted, so I'm calling you to ask you to get there and vote on Saturday. Okay? Yes. Amen. 100%. I love that. Well done. You want me to talk to your friend? Okay. Okay, put your friend there. Otherwise, he won't believe you if you say I called. What's his name? He's okay. Hello. Nah, Tidabai. Alhamdulillah, so the one Angela delegate. So the one Pamama Saturday Kabu to try how memo. I'm here from Kapai. Now the Abarcano, now the Abarcano. So thank you so much. Later, okay, all right. Thank you very much. All right. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Amen, President. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right, bye.
Is it Debbie Ghana for clear with this thing? My opposition, you know what this Baumias approach. In campaign strategy, one of the powerful tools, even direct contacts. Say Nipane Town was saying, JB, Obitman Sanadrin.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
With this cause.
Yeah, sure.
Because in your entire life, you will not dream of ABA happening.
Probably,
yes. Na no afafo afra unti no matter which na book of fab paper now he will come to your mind. That thing will be a memory. But the question is, the politicians daje and they don't even after election power choose to visit the people to find out what to say. Who?
Kofi Basa there, all cannot say wire campaign, we are direct contact. But we are wanting to call for selective people and a war from more. And yeah, almost the entire people we delegate for me and Sabina our from. But we are he's a father for all. All those delegates of one to Abamanina and I saw one to Amanina no.
Who have visited the constituency.
Yes.
We are not asking you for phone
that is what they
but
are
bonded with the constituency. More constituency for what to say. At least once a year, go down to the Asante regional office.
That is what
my baby such a to me. Constituency for what to say. Now we try to catch be a diame. Be away. Oh, Nanani. Nipana was Salungulungu ono. What baby? Upon who will be a the other man or more, the other man or more cry, the attitude ready.
The other mammy was for no okay.
I
will be and your moves or some way somehow.
Oh, I know, say they are so busy.
Yes, but we can equally blame them because and it's more constituency executives or more regional executives or more executives or more representative or more their various constituencies. But Kofi, the reality is that as usual politicians Omwaya magana for ina who say e na da bi no mo da Ghana for. Omo the Ghana for num adwe e diagro because they are in a privileged position in team. Omo take advantage of the ordinary Ghanaian. And if you where why everybody say eno to me record here. No the Bible watch the Ghana for say
cameras is your reporters will be any great.
If it is any politics near ya and nanka also or ye genuinely say bia or ye just not to create any unnecessary attention of
Unaso or your politics and just what to be politics the enye go heaven. That's why you will be politics the enye can I am fancy can you dias ye disisro manage will be so
you see
a part of campaign strategy now. Campaign team for now setting up say Bema come and engage the people. I think it's a plus and a very good plus. For campaign approach, a very powerful tool.
They've done well.
Very, very powerful.
But the reality is that just for the cameras.
But JB, my tifus kakakra. Star 439 hash. But we want to ya right and then me person nipa be disca and I'm going to share for you a big money. Chop money, chop money. Chop money and right now star 439 hash or select option 6 then you're just having fun and just enjoying and may draw
and
now win here you can win 500 CDs
over Friday.
Yes, right now.
500 CDs.
Yes.
Okay.
To see Nedi. We are to a mini and out to a win. Star 439 hash select option 6. So Evans the post no ever started.
Yes.
Me pen and paper, we are say get everything ready. and we count the number of people at Efre. Ali you need 200. I think it will not be bad.
No.
For the next one, I bet 200. And we can we are anyway. Yeah. Your coalition. Now tally near who said this is what happened, and I think that would be a good one.
Yes.
That would be a very great one. Star 439#84. Select option 6. Maybe commercial we trim me buy not just say post no ye be phone lines e dey my T4 number abe phrase 0243 114497 and 0322498035. Yeah, to about now, who will you vote for? A delegate or not delegate? Now and you can win.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo Heba Clinic Aba Accra. And you won't hear passengers a gumi kaimu. A Hana do one aircraw. Hey, and this Accra and put away the moon. And yet the Muampa, the Sede, a Dukem Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dukem Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. Need send between and years canon. Miss me connection and said uncle ye na a sakakra. Say what peggy mama or the bem connection would about the crow. Stroke so dear. What found small. Tessa, I did you one who any dear Siano. Yari Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, Obe Pim, our Pokuase, Maira Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282 and at 0500-7272-15. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Woodima for Newa.
Would you decline? Not me enjoy work with your hakakra. Show wallpapers, any curtain blinds or dear design in the hall and in the rooms. Wash a shark designer while you're form hall. Ne fair.
I know yet 3D epoxy design. Okay, Miss Row, action baby. Free Alaska Star Enterprise. Wallpapers, window blinds, different colors and sizes. Over more than 350 different designs. Or designer as a 3D, 5D, any 8D moral designs in Ghana Hagina, Alaska Pet, or a man for Timiko to do a part on
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi. Na Joshua say as I saw a meton, then show was you. As a clay this. It's not a chenchen wow war no huna tantan. Never saying the Frey Alaska Star Enterprise and Mamaka Meka, a bit 3D epoxy and wallpapers. A bit design ya had my 50. And then I'm a soon cried a woman more. I come go for guess you. One more important Alaska Star Enterprise. Oh, Kumasiadum, Prudential Plaza, opposite to Hua. Akranso, Tiptoe Lane, opposite Circle Mall, and Wakaishi, and next comes Danamu. A Benny MTTD, Fre 0200-281-87.9 and 0248-315-258.
Modie, bebia na makoto blocks na mudi siden. Hwe blocks ya Mason for edi siden. Ni nyina afrofu. Ye tumufo muntie. Meka kira wo se kwa Empower Super Concrete product for so ye. Wo munne ma cement ekọ blocks mu ye. Ye de machine ai na ye bibia. Machine na mix mortar no. Machine na the top blocks no. Na wi ahye ne kama. Ana ne size no so de ye accurate. Over 6 inches, 5 inches. Anase over 5 hollow blocks, 6 hollow blocks, pavement blocks, road cave. Anase tiles blocks ubenyabi obi esidan ma ka tell say Empower Super Concrete product aseye ehonomo blocks no eye papa Empower roofing fo a e de intense papa ye de boden so abadwaso no wa mokroya ana kofa blocks papa pai e de aba ahoto so ne say ye free delivery within Kumasi ya obebu ya ne Empower roofing e di anhwane mu frɛ e was 0271 144444 ana say 0208 3964 24 Empower Super Concrete product blocks papa pa efie
Metwaba disanizo metwa mendisi ewo asama nya memasa obi on so sa emfa unsa intiso baby and the wa waduma
na wo betwaba
say your voter ye ko promotia e won fa so yi afemi bo eye tujumi konkro ba akopɛ ɛyɛ hweye di tujumi ne ba mo dia monje
an ye nyina ye betwaba
so we
Now the you pass then because you many bar. Ghana 3 to 5 years. The sister the coin.
So when you are back to home fast one
Ghana is a bansa. Oh my, your friend is sick. I'm penny for your woman. So my dear friend is sick. I'm mine. Then I'm a baby. Yeah, mine. Debbie, I am your bonnet. One more bonnet. I'm an abansa.
I will about to you, my dear. So you're man, your phobe dinko. Yabu sound say, and ye be about to a year to one. You're some fast war and
There should be no village or community in Ghana after the first 2 years that would have a water problem or a toilet problem.
CIA, Akoma 87.9. A Jordan way, a copy of Fiada. A brand on so, a bomb, a copy of San Onkono, a bebo. Then you're from about to Ujumadi, and from out.
President Akufo, Mama show down. Vice President, Mama show down.
And I want to number and kickers and papa, a family who was at the Baku.
Mene Evansinkum. Mabatwo, Eso, Emphaso.
Right, I'm for a choir Asaba High Akoma 87.9 FM. Ubetimi journey our Facebook page, but JB, why are ready for the tallying of the data, the records? Get ready. Oh, yeah, you go collation. Now, say, yeah, Babetu.
Visa by agent
agent will be our
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Who will you vote for?
Govimiana.
No.
Okay.
So you don't vote.
Oh, but Kofi say your mom who be some do not to
that they were many of them were.
Kofi so yes you to be.
So
me meant to be Kofi meant to be a declare me there.
There be. So you have 4 candidates, 203,439 number of delegates. Number of polling stations here 331. Number of voting centers.
Number of police stations.
331.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Then you have 274 voting centers.
274 voting centers.
Exactly.
Oh, really?
Sure.
Wow. It's like about 275.
No, we're voting, I think, one constituency.
Mampo.
Yeah.
Mampo and to be.
Yeah.
But you see, also headquarters is so so it is an additional police center. So now can say go beyond.
It is 274.
Oh, okay.
So this is the statistical details and no pay your baby delay with. Why Anna or
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ediamano. And pay body na why a part of the discussion na yanko yenim *439# select option 6 na vote to about now to piska kakra and yes the audio piska *439# option 6 na dia piska kakra eguso now afei my radio phone lines 0243 114497 oba Pacho, you are very discussions. I about so we are. Why not be tuaba amano? And as oba, you can just come and declare who you vote for tomorrow. Team members, are you ready?
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
0243 114497. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, do radio set, mami. We didn't baby Afrifi.
Oh boy, my phone and accessories. Me faithful boy, my phone center. Kenya say.
Oh boy, mami too.
Yo, nana mo pay one of the usual discussion be.
Oh boy, yetio.
Hello.
Me pacho kasa yetio.
Discussion be nana pay my ye. Ba de. Eda ma ko nzari o kasa ho ana kameto amano no. Yes, ba ba ko mu nza akwakurau. No so da akwakurau dia dia.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Enjini se na do abeto wa ba bi no wantima anye. Oni ba mi anyina na ye. Now, if you have a Ken, and that's over.
Okay, so Ken, good morning. Right, 0243 114497. Hello, good morning. Pacho, may the specific numbers at to Jah. One fresh number in your debit my for calls. Good morning.
Okay.
Yes, sir. When
I'm back from the Greek and as Dugan of Statsman Kuma.
Mamintio.
Maybe I didn't say Ghana for the Pejuma, yeah, the man you have goofy. nti ehu na ado ne yewura baomia na Ghana for you gidi share kana Japan ne betuma ma ye ho atoye.
Okay.
It's so the guitar.
Thank you. Kennedy Japan. Good morning. When you?
Nana Kofi na ka say.
Nana Frefe.
Me ka say ka wiedum.
Okay, Nana.
Kennedy Akoma ko Japan.
Kennedy. Thank you. Kennedy Japan. 0243 114497. Good morning.
Hello, that could be good morning.
Yes, sir.
That would be Kodenki Bush Yakon, because I was here.
Mamintio.
That would be said, King of Ghana.
Okay.
Bye bye.
But I say Kennedy. Good morning.
Hello, Nana.
One minute, I say.
I'll go.
Okay.
Number one, King.
Thank you. Good morning. Yes, sir. Joso.
Yes, let me yell. I'm on some Casafi as I'm here to go.
I'm on some amintio.
Media said MPP for the breaking engineer. Dr. Alaji Muhammad Baumia. Is not bad. Only this is strong.
But I say, Dr. Baumia, good morning.
Hello, Aduanaba.
Yeah, when
This year as you watching me, Casafi, I report Johnson also.
Okay, Isaac Mamintio.
Aduanaba, so I heard your my Baumia Bani, their uncle. Yamfa came rana usually on take a cranny woman.
Okay, Kennedy, good morning. When you?
No problem, because I pick out.
Nana Mamintio.
About the Baumia, everybody has to say another. You give them from one another man from you, man.
Okay. But I say, Kennedy, good morning. Yes, sir.
Morning, oh.
Morning.
Now we just start to have a day. About me, I didn't know the break. Huh? You're going about me, why?
Into why?
That's what my friend.
Okay. Okay, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Nyamiadum.
Baby, no, Messiano, I was a woman father, made in Chakassia Manpa. Now, for instance, maybe on the Koya Bacope, my Santa Man who's Yami Roma, name my Santa Man who's Yami. I am delegates in the so, almost fancy with him. So, be there in here, and could you be food to and Kesselma? Eh, baby, come hold you. The casting be such row, and the Koya Bacope of Akofi Kaya, I will not up happen anymore. What plan up to date now? Eh? Young country, this is DSC. Did they get to my Canada? But I'm going to make Canada Japan.
Okay. Right. 0243 114497. Once we beat me afre. Declare your support for who supposed to win. Good morning.
Good morning. Aduanaba Kofi Asante.
Yes, sir.
The party to say.
Namiado.
Your friend is Steven. Dodona friend is Steven Wonder.
Because
Safely at Mako Ahmad District. Now, I am here and Aladi I experienced for day and all over by Yama or Naga and different.
Until wine. Until wine on Tabamano.
This year, you know, a cabinet minister. Yes,
until wine on Tabamano.
And then move to cry and kind of cry by almost I said that.
Okay, so you are rejected ballots. Good morning. That was the anchor. Yes. Yeah.
Now, mention the delegate. Yampa Memenda. Or we are so long trouble from Yoga Japan. Or Lungua, a bit in Yabua. Lam Putuna Boy said that you saw about quite actually. So many sabos in the phone, Dr. You are free. Akoma to attach on Salano Master. I'd had your moon pretty my.
Okay. Good morning.
Aduanaba Kofi Asante. If you are very big, you will be said. If you never get low, maybe be there. Never number by the
and what to the
if you want to
you don't have to end the OBD.
Only know the why. Oh, the Baumia member.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Adana.
Yeah.
I must say the first time touch on what about Aduanaba and I cry about what can somebody be? But I don't talk about me a party. Kennedy, I'm number one Ghana.
Good. Okay, 0243-114497. Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, Honey. Okay.
Because every Sophia and Ketia.
Okay.
You talk about Kennedy.
Let us say yes. Good morning.
Morning.
Honey. Namiadom.
Ana bufi we are no crema ko pe. Delegate do cry o ma tun say. No abana ma ba mi a. Goma election no o nya da. Delegate no mo ma tun beto abana ma Kennedy.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, good morning.
No, good morning. Now what you say?
Namiadom.
The other thing can say. NT before, I'm the same position here. I'm not vice president. You can say, you will have them, and you have many family government bond. I buy way by nearing across 40 to a monster, I just get it. I'm going to time to come and make your car. This is a good for my own.
Tom Trabama.
Yeah, too much in the phone. Can I phone a bit of a different question?
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Yeah. What to our union need on?
Oh,
oh, Baba, JB at to chain. What to pass really need. And I'm with you, that say, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Winnie.
Nana Mani. This one may delegate for say. Omo na bay. Omo tuma Kennedy. Na sa na kuise ta se do ni pick up ni sika ye cheno. En so many ska we wo ho. En oba yin da from your hospital mpakwa we na bi na so dia.
Okay, Kennedy. Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Yeah.
Kofi ma mama so na ye frame me akwese wa.
Yeah.
Na Kofi o ma ne kikire ni o ma ne kanko. Breaking the 18th, Mr. Delegate was a Daniel Boys man. I'm going to Obama Kennedy at Japan.
Okay, Medasi. Good morning.
Good morning, Aduanaba.
Yeah.
I just homophobia.
Yeah.
Everything so you everything I want my 8 year life. Yet na ka sempo for an answer when in opinion for.
Oh, before private maker.
Aduanaba. You may be because of Ghana Hanum. Your hospitals, at times, especially government hospitals, you can Kataba, and when at times you know Mukunku a patient. You must be to Pavia, or do no crowd. Aduanaba,
Mate, I bet you was Sebisa. Good morning. Yeah.
Oh, now Kofi, when they can't give you a cinema, come out on our Katini.
Nasa we end this name before I know my back.
I would put you at the car tomorrow. Now, if you are a message, the insurance, the insurance now wants to work for you. Let's see the wife for 4 years. Pampas. 30 million. Now what you want to say, you can work free, for they are free. And I'm going to
okay, Mofo from Ra. Good morning.
Hello, Bako. Good morning.
Yes, I'm winning.
Kakra me pese, but you na na usu because you keep it here.
Na mintio.
Kakra me pese me catch delegate for me say. Tike bi obi de ma obi ajibi. Omo ba 2016 make up play mo no obi ni kapre. Sika na Ghana for sika. Endi so obi a discama wa mo ni na mo to aba na ma Kennedy Japan. One be to aba ji
That's 0243-114497. Good morning. The line I will be free. I will studio.
Good morning.
When
Nyami
Adam.
About the chapter 1. Madam Waspa, you did your Becca is here, so Yamishano. Let's say, very good. Yes, there was a youth from Ayabano. You see, you're not quite the whole country be a Ghana Nikoswa. You need to know something. For more Ghana for a level and Yaquadro, you pay Duman Casa. See, you Dumaya,
Unse nka krono ni niyema basa do ebitimi etobitwa. Na sese Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan or Buamedu into a stress dead gate. Over money and Chiranamon to Abanmano.
Okay, good morning.
Aduanaba.
When
Wa mama ntuna abana wini please. I would follow me. For so down. Canada Japan.
Okay, Canada Japan. Good morning. Yeah.
Wa uni abema ba kope. Opes kakute vlowe pimo kwada sofa.
Medase.
Ofa. Mama Fafide so and chair the next president of the Republic, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Ofa mesumo on some kakrabika actually delegate. Ofa Otunaba Tuono is about the future of the NPP. Ofa yeni na yenim SF 8 years abandi akwa na abandi na ya from Ghana. Ofa the only hope NPP wo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia as will be to media break it in a sofa. Ewe NDC only propaganda about MPP is a MPP account party. So we can say a good amplificate say MPP pene member leader MPP muda because MPP the account for party. So for the first time, not MPP and not just a not now. Matter a Muslim not now. I'm gonna be the lady MPP offer. A crucial message 2024 election on will be the easiest election in the history of the MPP.
Okay. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Medase. Good morning.
Good morning, Kevin.
Yeah, Winnie.
Okay, Jamal in Kasapura.
Mammy, too.
Okay, I'm quite young because I feel you know, as a private can offer one president, and to me, imagine the end so much no man a private.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Medase 0243 114497 and 0322498035. Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Morning.
Mepacho sakudi ni janguba.
Mamintio.
Yo Diana ba mamcha Dr. Saado nkona ketitani bi kwa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Na Diana ba ka me pesa mekaneze. Ni polling station organizer. Yekoto aba na ma you or the Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Yenye agency yekoto aba ma yura kanidi. Sanse the kasa and udi Diana ba otisi mu first minute atuma kupudia. Delegates yema akuma ku 91. Nsi kanidi benya wansi. Oba first day oba the kasa nanka wanya kura no betimi nya be 40 na 30. But this time around delegates no mu yana di nkomo. Omo nsem dia wo kan say wo so campaign no. And ordinam and we party in the party in penny for other party. No kasa Asante region kwa mimi consult me to about what man of the that south. O ma ho no mpu. Say no answer call no for. O ma ho mpu e so ko ba second one because what some papa no ka kire mu. Onam no party other party na time na re no. Nti e ko to aba na tia no party ko position. Onu sika obetimi dia dia to contact one this word dia. But
good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Yeah, morning.
Video ni on Kasapura anaga.
Mamintio.
Hey, video ko abaye babati sibi da be na gana for da be ni afra. Yes. I just said about already saw easier for MPP to win. My bomb could do I don't know more. Bye-bye.
Okay, that's it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, morning.
I'm Aduanaba.
I'm into you.
Me patrol Kennedy Aneko. No Kennedy, no vote.
Me that's it. Good morning.
Come on, good morning.
Nyame Adam.
Patrol Kennedy Aneko.
Me that's it. 0243 114497. Good morning.
Good morning, Aduanaba.
Yeah, honey.
That's all. Samini. Adaro manade benya le memfami ha onto anim. Ayi therefore no ne abobo ya for no ball na wo mode ko Wood Village one. Adana min se na se mo kasa about ahonidi wo kumase. Enso mu kwa no makofie gu o. And attraction no sumlika o mu di okunu a o mu nsa nkata so. Intene be dey so be fa ball na be sa kofie gu kwa so de na akoya na se wo bai. nti mesrɛ na afei so nim ade kora MPP foɔ mpanimfoɔ nyinaa sɛ bawumia ba mpɛ sɛ mu sɛ deɛ bɛ paa ne wom ɛni bɛ ne asɔ bɛ no mu nko awa wo mu de mu nko asɛ yi am de mu sɛ kɛn ne betumi aboa yi.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Okay.
So, and then 3 days. I'm not going to say for your cousin. Only the cabin 2, and then it's only for the count. The panic so, the son, with you, on from to one Sanka. When I can, traffic in to my course, and my way. You know, your particular says, and then they are because of other strategy. No, I'm not an idiot. Not a idea. You cannot do.
Okay, Medasi. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
I'm
Adam.
Thank you, Mr. Jimmy. Delegate no, me can train. No, being one or a delegate to. If I could a delegate, and a delegate. Then Asante Memua. Na mun kan kyerɛ sɛ mo yɛ airport ama na aka da hɔ no mo bubu dua sɛbe yɛ ma me no mo edi afi school etete discourse ɔtete bi no mo nenam etete pavement so owia wasa bɛka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ deɛ ensɛm ha onyankopɔn ka mo Kennedy Japan ne benya ma.
Okay, good morning. Right, 0243-114497. Now on so wafre na why a part of the discussion. Good morning. Wayne. I'm into you. Okay, me that's it. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Kofi.
Yeah, Wayne.
Yeah, big sheriff.
Okay.
Yeah, because everybody does so.
Okay. Thank you, my brother. Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Wayne, you. Okay.
Canadian airport, Canadian. I'm not going to say, but they say, I'm saying, I'm two, and that will be on.
Hey, now they want to when you be radio. And you don't want to know being a building there. And that to star 43. To star 439 hash option 6. My draws is to then I did 200 and I bet you 500 at a go. Do we now get 500? Me check the payment 5 at the star 439 hash option 6 right now to see. Good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Wayne. Mamintio.
The mechanism, any 300 and something thousand of Kotoaba, or candidate for MPP presidential. So, among to the air, on Baba 2 passes million, you as the president, amount or minor. With a 3 year mamma, you say, that they will be a demomisca about the 2. I mean, the 2 mabao contase, let it fantastic. But then, general election, ya wakoto. Enti o you can be Japan, but a good to be mayor. You do a 3 million, ya wakoto abanamo.
Okay, good morning. When you?
When you show Bachelor in the Cafe, Yeniamu, Yesamo, Yena Cotabano, and you to Aba, Obia, Chewajuni, and Casa Kutakwa, and the better, we 2 o'clock, 2 for 2 months, and the future. And the MVP, the enemy. The opposition our court now okay once a man BPI eba power no and maybe a case and say be omo the penny for omo the omo yo ke da po MVP for boy MVP pa mo sam na carry aduba so enti eslam delegate mo to aba mutu number 2 or the number 2 no mutu a ye future on the beti major mama ke don't major mama no audio this is vice and be bono mo je o slim baba en MPC say what MPC after mama is
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
When
Upokusamsi Jachi.
Mamintio.
Yakotama Alaji Mahmoud Baumia. Only bit my breakage, you know.
Bedase. Good morning.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Mamintio. Pacho Haya.
7.9 Kumasi.
Okay, me da se buzafo abe na adwone ye a ye pu hwan na abeto aba e de ama no nyame ya adma wo chena 0243 114497 and 032249803. Good morning. Yes.
On second life akwa ese umadubo ahen. Adubo ahen. MPP eni na di kan ne ba ase before kufo no. Sana credit life aye. Se Ghana popo se Ghana 2 pa dia. To the Kennedy. To ita fo ina ase. To the Kennedy.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Mother Gojo.
Yeah, Kofi.
Akwa champion. Kasa finish the terms to May 5. But Ken Baby ni wate.
Okay, Ken Baby. Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Mweni.
Manapuguni.
Mamintio.
That's right. It is number 2.
Dr. Baumia, number 2. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Kofi Asante.
Mweni. Okay. Okay.
Omo musasu nyina legible mi o Canada Japomo. Omo musasu nyina mintumi bia omo na aketi mess amo man. Ubie no mo baba be ubie yi.
Okay, rejected. Nale, good morning.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Mweni.
Nana Kofi.
Mamintio.
Nana Kofi. Dr. Baumia.
Yeah, Pato Mamintio. Dr. Baumia. Dr. Baumia. Right. Okay. Right. Good morning.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Hello?
Yeah, morning.
Morning.
Mweni. Because every supporting poom. Yeah, Mamintio.
Yes, thank you for my phone.
Yeah.
I'm the phone.
Okay, good morning.
Hello, Vigo.
Yes.
Obia Kennedy, job program ni eh. Obia Kennedy.
Obia Kennedy ntiminya program ni yo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mweni. Okay.
The lake at the difference of Momo Ometoma Kennedy. Well, to my phone will be a Kennedy. Odi Baumia ma Obelusu Kennedy.
Okay, let us see. Good morning. When you?
Good morning, Kofi.
Yeah.
I'm a taxi driver. Before. Dawa sebu se driver antina for yanko yes me.
Utie Ghana Koma.
Driver man for yanko. Driver good for yanko.
Okay, Kennedy. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. That was Asante.
Honey.
Najima, go from South Africa. JB.
Okay.
Send me a new lekono. Yes, throw one more to yeah, to the into majority now, woman in our type of news. Yes, you Kennedy. And so I'm going to find a matter of time. Yes, I heard the case I went to by.
Okay, Kennedy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Honey.
I'm a Casa Fiji. Seba madam the banana na dafiti akonya so. Na just man in a chia never con more.
Okay, rejected. Good morning.
Morning.
Honey.
Kofi na hospital.
Nyamiadom.
Delegate for no omo koto. Activism. Yeye na yeye betwaba. No be beto. Yeye fit na meko. No vote.
Okay, Ken. Thank you. Good morning. Ali, good morning.
Hello, yeah, good morning.
Yeah. Nyamiadom. Okay.
Mother would be also be the cat, Babanya. Something here. Babanya making it because me and my talk, I can mean the cat of Pima. Oh, Mr. Audience, and only Monkum. It won't give you a monk of my.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
When?
But you got to
I'm into you.
What you told me? Like, oh, me also vice president. It will be doing this. What is here? What are the woman president answer? Oh, already.
Okay, good morning. Right, star Buzafo with me a friend 0243 114497 0243 114497. Good morning. Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Pastor staff no Kasabran Pontifex.
Mamintio.
Oh, what dear Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia Dache Hen. Me say Saturday Crofaba Dankamo. Saturday 2 o'clock, then Crofada Okruma. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia Nepro.
Okay, thank you. What's it Baumia? This is Baumia. Okay, good morning.
Aduanaba.
Yeah.
Aduanaba Virgin.
Okay.
Virgin, you're doing Kadaba. And Mahmoud, Kennedy, only anybody, I don't know about Bamoa.
Yeah.
Media Mama,
Okay, rejected. Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
When you?
Kofi, I'm so first time I took me, didn't have to me. I am so. As for a for taxi driver.
Okay.
Yeah, my young cover. One cover, not a mamma, because you're in a room. Until we never take, don't we have a fine. Family, I found me on the very right, Kofi.
Okay, Baumia. Good morning.
Good morning.
When you?
Charles in the cafe, just so.
Mamintio.
Yes, delegate Omontobama, Dr. Mahmoud Bahumia, Asante, of a coffee, driver, driver, and your mate, the whole control. And I know when you been honorable chairman of Bosu, Ekata, what trend Semupa, what say, Vice President, also just a final decision was being taken by the President. And you know, Bahumia Sabi, Ocean record, medication, the BPR name, said, war as from Chimpany for Brazil, Pilipa, yeah, the Tapa Way Bar, the public Fibaba, with the President Kufokai, the Ghana, and DAB, and the delegate, Munte President Kufuata Mono.
Okay, into one out tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, Dr. Bahumia.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, good morning. Right, 0243114497. Very quick one. Good morning. When you?
Hello, good morning. Kofi Asante.
Yeah, when you?
That's what make us so good.
Mamintio. Kennedy, Japan. Thank you. Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Yeah, when you?
Dansu Queen in Watchdog Media Foundation.
Mamintio.
That's it. About dear, maybe the coming will be in the Ghana.
Okay, Kennedy. Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, honey. Okay. No can no okay, thank you. Good. Yeah, morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Spare piano, Papa said to Sumo. Who your vice? I don't know when to Yamwa. Now, you just over this one, Sana, try it. No, Montomano, Kennedy.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, good morning. When Mamintio. Okay, so what Kwame. Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, when
Pacho, your premier at the Santa Fe.
Okay.
Pacho, Abane, yes, Dr. Bahumia, Enko.
Okay, Dr. Bahumia, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
When
but if I Upukulo but I said, assistant, they're going to be Kennedy.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Your call has been put.
Right, 0243 114497. Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when
and that's what
okay. Okay.
And that's all the King.
Okay.
Quick
one.
aha de se say adano ko Asante na dwum do pa adano busa mpanifo no say ahodia ahokana ahodia mo de begu kuku mo asoma mo de ye campaign ama bawuya no ko mo de sa ahodia na bua de kutugo ko asia man ye oh the message is say
okay, good morning.
87.
Good morning, Kofi.
Yeah, honey.
Yeah, I chat in the cafe at the Kramampon.
Mamintio.
Pacho Dr. Bahumia, no Kofi Pacho Mami 1 minute na come out to
Quick one.
Yeah. When you say mana ya timuno, Ghana ya afundia mai. Ofa, obi a wo pe threaten any idea no obumaya the problem ba because Dr. Bahumia ya nchene da but ye obi wa ya chino adina ko dina court a charge no as a treason. If I to ban yam to my way mo, see pass ndie. Dr. Bahumia mra.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, honey.
And it is not right. It's a good thing.
Mamintio.
Madam, we decided I had a man when I say, and for so I will be a friend of mine. And I'll be an income and I'll be a good school. People need moment in young and some the other do about what they kind of brand and one thing. The brand was in Kata, they did in Kata, that's all I'm going now. Then it's
why now to Abamano?
Akoma FM 87.
Okay.
Otoma why?
What's Mr. Mawai?
Yeah.
What is now we are in now?
Thank you. Rejected. Good morning.
Kofi.
Yes, sir.
Dog Media Foundation, Madame Debbie to Jamie Pachawa. It's an offer. And quantity through a manner or more trouble for 10 or Momano. I ensure more insurance in my offer. One more the hospital now. I'm going to Juma. And so, yeah, more Kakaya, they bore mine no.
Okay, Matthew, we'll work on that. No, that rejected. Good morning.
Yeah, morning, sir.
87.9.
Now, as you say,
Nami Adam.
Meti achuma boko me kwa kura nti me lead kura me atu abawnya me support Kennedy 1000%.
Okay, me that say good morning. When you?
Na ko say AK.
Yeah.
We can see
yeah.
Enkame papa jena baro. Enwane Kennedy. Why? Jatuma Kennedy.
Okay, me that say good morning. When you?
Mediani no commission fee of Brazil.
Mamintio.
You come in a Kwabri Kenya, Mechiamo, sorry, any Mudia about Magana. Kwabri Kenya say, blah, you're two about Chemu, you're supposed to do Ghana, Kwabri, and you're two about oh, up to now, this in the NTA, Uncle Cabin, Minya say, Menkoso, and Tuma, Baumian and Nado, Kennedy Melawai.
Okay, say thank you. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, when
Pacho, your friend, they make a free so I'm run about. Yeah, me Pacho, me come to Kakra, Kofi, Odabuka de Japan, so can't buy hobby. Because we're board chairman of Ghana guy. You on the Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament. Share of a coffee, I do with the interviewer, with the Mammy to Agency. Let the Kamubusa or Ennin call for anything. You see what the Chimano, you are in charge of defender. What you can watch them already or you crowd. What's when they attacking in the pub open and the basic at the member showdown. Nasa, who they about when you about one of the API, a cook your cook of one of the and they were and the member showdown. And so, this that board is rule. A habbo. And the way the benefit of the Kufoma, I think I can come out and the Unka, and I'll be known at the matter. Honorable His Excellency, I like the Lumahama on one knee, Dr. Bahumia on one knee.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
That is I.
Nami Adam.
Right, the Amiasi. What could we where they are Daroma make us a free the soup for a break? Madaroma Montoban Canada Japan.
Better say good morning.
Morning.
When
Mini up and
Yay.
Yes, sir.
wa for da ne mo na so na libya ija ne da ne bia no bawe ida ta na african time na me dia no asu do ani
okay yeah hello yes
on sir obia se Kennedy enkaye me say wale ka me go sama ne mo no o ma che mo to sa ba no bra o mo ja da bo eti any friend any vote any hard you know me
yeah we vote need to be influence wo a popular vote and am otu and it makes a decision the auto na otu no o say eh depending nyina say ya and enye the say so this is a popular vote
bra wada wajini sika papa bi ada
87.9
okay so spoiled ballot good morning right 0243114497 good morning
sir.
When
FM Alex Sunyami your body.
Okay.
Because I feel I wanted to buy any site. The petrol soko buy your crime soko buy kumu no. Aka ifini kakrebi. Adawoma my na magusu bapa.
Okay.
The metro Obama no Kennedy because or maybe imagine.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, honey.
So where the family mensa. The cafe category no
okay.
Yeah, over Kofi pato metro Obama Dr. Bahumia but better me can attend to every. Okay. Yeah, me decide me am offer Asante Central into ya metai ko na ohokura mpuno some of the people say ombeto mabama Dr. Bahumia we say tuka ni hehe na yenko buwe yenko yewe say yenko ataki we ntino so obope obia obetimi aka on the man no here unified person say mo amunia swali kati me fi on second day e serious wa ko no bukra de Japan ko dina court.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
When
Kenneth, me don't need truck driver.
Okay.
Me 14 gota, but the person is wrong say. Well, obviously, no more than me also from margin. Because the majority of the people are okay. If I look at this, come to any other person there, I'm a home. I didn't see them there, move warm, move warm, that's it.
Okay. Spoil ballot. Good morning.
Good morning.
When you? Yeah.
No Kennedy, no vote.
No Kennedy, no vote. Thank you very much. Yeah, when you?
Hello.
Yeah, honey. Okay. Okay. But I say, be afraid I do a feeding at her. Yeah, by popular vote. We are popular votes. You may not vote. You may be part of the delegate or not, but we are fan of popular votes. Tuaba one and Kabe Tuamano, Kennedy, and I say Baumia and Akuto, and I say a dynamo. Number no 0243114497 and 0322498035. And now we wrapping up the course. And good morning.
Over Kofi Asante.
Yeah, many abeni.
Over ini Aduma Kunye.
Right, Mamintiu.
Yes, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bahumia.
Hey, Dr. Bahumia, thank you. Yeah, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Me very good.
Okay.
Asma me can say Ghana 14 me tumaba e marking. When me person me can say Lawrence or the two and the bomb and the best Ghana, not Ghana CNT bida. But at the end of the day, you bought Lawrence in Edinburgh. Master Matosuminsa. You share a beer who take to the book hospital and Ghana CNT Akoma. Your party chairman do Oklahoma, you have the problem. The go. The goal is the civil station. You have the goal. If you start delegate, I want to and or no about the catch yourself to about a map of year. Catch you say, conformity at Machia, the bishop, kidney, essay, Kennedy, and the delegate. We will not answer some.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, Aduanaba. Na phone to say.
Adam.
Na the number mo ja issue ana.
Na sa na wa fresh you.
Fra ye nyamu ye fra ye nyamu.
Say nipa ne do so mpacho.
Aduanaba.
Yes.
Ele me sira mo ni mu duma pa mu die me tia o ne jebi. Me sira mo say abana ye beto ne ye say delegate for so mo ntoma kan. One of betimi abo.
Okay, better say. Good morning. Yeah, how are you? Talk as a friend. Okay, mami too.
No care, no go.
Thank you. No care, no go. As a man in I can. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, honey.
I am back from entry.
Okay.
Yeah. But you, me to my bama, Dr. Baumia, and I may can't send to Eddie. Of a Kofi. So, yeah, businessman. Say, American President Donald Trump. Oh, talk about the business. It's business takum. But baby America, so no. Oko 110. Offer. Oh, you shall be your overcome despite. Overcome na kesi mu akwa media yi TV3 mo ya mutumi. Omo ya do ye pa, omo ye niema pa manipa. Obi ya do ye doesn't mean say he can rule a country. To rule a country no, there was a name of the governor.
Okay, and for last but one caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, honey.
Ya ko fi frame. So fi ka fi just from us. Ya ko fi dey make am say.
Yeah.
Obi a obeba o se ba onia dey tumi kan dia ba onia ba e be vice president waye. Na mo dey make am say obi anka one peka sabi I think he move for the so we move for the Ghana. They think go between ya adwuma ne yese. They ento aba ni ba ya ye koto so next you know ya ye kwakoto no. When you see a pikin,
but I say the Facebook page for so by Facebook page star wait me so ato Ken Baumia Adenimo or Akutum Pachoko Facebook page and you do your voting there right now. Akoma 87.9 FM. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho intime.
Okay.
Because buakwa.
Mamintio.
Yeah, for Kofi. Yeah, na be more Dr. Bahumia Sobo. Offer. Yet you may so rest in peace. A former president Day Mills was a vice president to a former president Rawlings. As well as the fruit, we said I can't afford to roll a yard. As a person, make a buy. What the Nigerian by Lina no be any muse. Yeah, Papa no. It's unfortunate that I met with a friend. You get this a good bit maybe Magana. Offer. As we get an idea, they say, who to program me. Who to programmer? As we said, the host was a different person bar. One so called the first of who. In the end, to make I say, you'll be leading man and you're into Chinchina, you're first one body. I would and they could have a movie. The dear will your checker will be. Offer, into
one out to Mano.
Oh, I like my mood, Bahumia.
Okay, thank you. Last caller, good morning.
Hello?
Morning. Yeah.
Now, where are you?
We
are going to Canada, it's to watch 1.something billion. Now we want about but I'm not able to see.
Right, for now, let me turn my eyes to the Facebook page. As the song goes, Facebook page for so can vote now. The voting on radio has ended. Very, very, very interesting. Buffet, maybe a draw star 439 hash or select option 6. You'll be a winner. Maybe I know declare one I winning so I can star 439 hash select option 6. Maybe I chop right now. Now what means what to Abba and we are good to go. Evans, you total vote to say
87.9 Kumasi.